Hi all, welcome back to Food is Good channel, and today we bring you another unique dish and first time on YouTube, and that's a gulkand and samosa burger. Yes, like last time we came out with the dish which was the gulab jamun burger. This time we have come out with another burger for you guys, and that's the gulkand and samosa burger. So let's go ahead and look at the ingredients. So I have the burger bun. I have the bowl to mix it up, mix things. I have aloo bhujia. I have red chili flakes. I have the gulkand, amul butter. We have mashed potatoes, which we prepared with some turmeric, salt, and green chilies, and we have just made it for making our samosa. The samosa dough. I have the olive oil. I have coriander and green chilies. So coriander and green chilies will make a paste out of it or a chutney out of it, and a medium sized onion. So the first thing that we're going to do is prepare the green chutney or the coriander chutney, and then we are going to prepare the samosa. So guys, in the grinder we have the coriander, 1 or 2 green chilies. If you want it more spicy, you can put more green chilies. If you need it less spicy, 1 green chili should be enough, and some salt. So we're now going to prepare a chutney out of it. Okay folks, so the green chutney is ready. Now the next step, make the samosa. So we are now using the dough and the potatoes. Have now rolled the dough, and we are now going to cut it into 4 pieces, or rather 2 pieces, and make 2 samosas out of this. There we go guys. So here we go, we are rolling the dough this way, and you apply some water, and let's try to make it in a triangle shape. There you go guys. Press it well so that it sticks. Now all we have to do is lift it up and fill it up with the stuffing of the potato. There is the potato stuffing. So it depends completely on you how much you want to put. And there you go, we have stuffed. Now we're going to gently press it on the sides. And then what you're going to do is we're going to take a fork and then press the sides with the fork so that it doesn't open up while it is being fried. There you go. There is our one samosa ready. And this way we'll prepare all other samosas. So guys, we have deliberately left this samosa standing. The saying in the market is that if there is a samosa which stands in this way, it is going to come out good. So this is something from our side that we wanted to share. So guys, our samosas, 2 samosas we have prepared. We have oil for that much samosa. Medium heat should be good. 3 to 4 minutes on each side, but take your call. If you feel it's cooked well, then you can turn over the samosas. So guys, we have turned it over, and one more time we'll flip it over on each side, and it should be ready. Okay guys, so they are cooked well. Time to take them out, and now time to assemble our burger. There you go guys, the standing samosa. So now it's time, we have got all our key components ready now. To our next prep, you're going to take the onions in a bowl, put olive oil in it, put the red chili flakes, and 1 tablespoon of gulkand. We're going to mix with the onions. Okay guys, so I put the onions into the bowl. Now I'm going to put some red chili flakes, depending again on your taste and spiciness you want. Then I'm going to put some olive oil, around 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and Now I'm going to mix it well. After this, I'm going to put some salt. So this is a little bit different, guys. No capsicum today in our dish, and we are keeping it raw. Little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt to give it a little taste. Mix it well again. And to this mix, we are going to add a tablespoon of gulkan or more. If you are a lover of gulkan, you can add 2 tablespoons and it's going to still taste very good. Okay, so to this I add the gulkan. Wow, it's readily available, and all you need to do is now mix it well. Okay guys, so we have mixed the gulkan with the onions and that's ready. Now next is to prepare our bun. So what we have done is taken a teaspoon or a tablespoon. If you prefer more butter, you can take more, a tablespoon of butter. And what we are going to now do is just roast or toast our burger bun on the top and the bottom, not on the inside. Inside we are going to apply the chutney. So let's just toast it for 2 minutes each side so that it gets that toasty sound on the top. Okay, so the burger bun is toasted. Now we are going to assemble it. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to apply the green chutney to both upper and bottom part. As I said, the attempt here is to give you both saltiness and sweetness to the dish. It's not going to be entirely sweet. And we have applied butter also on the top, so you're going to get that. And so we have applied the green chutney now. Now we are going to put the mixture of onion and the gulkan to the base. Again, depending on your taste. Then we are going to take some aloo bhujia. Around a teaspoon or tablespoon of it should be good. We are going to sprinkle it on top of this. And after this, we are going to place our samosa, and then we are going to place our top bun. And there you go, guys. The gulkan and samosa burger is ready to be consumed. So again, guys, it was something unique that we wanted to bring from our kitchen. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, please subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive future notifications for all our upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe and enjoy your day. Thank you.